Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Belkin SOUNDFORM Freedom headphones and I'm going to tell you what to do if only one earbud is working. At first we have to go into settings and now we have to go into connect devices. Here we have to forget our headphones from our phone and now we have to remove both of our headphones from our case. Now we have to check if there and there is some dust over here. If there's no dust, that's fine. If there is any dust, you have to clean it. We have to check for the dust here too and here. If there was some dust, you have to now check if your headphones are charging and after some time check if you can pair with your phone. If the problem still occurs, you have to do a hard reset. Place both of your headphones in your case and make sure that your headphones are touching these pins. Now close the case and hold this button for at least 10 seconds. If it doesn't work for you, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.